Hi everyone, quick product review. We got the ONN soundbar from Walmart. This is the product itself. A pretty slick design, I won't lie. There's actually a foam padding on all this over here. I only picked this up for $35 Canadian plus tax, so around 40. Not too bad. Let's plug this in and see what happens. Let's see what we got. This is an optical cable, aux cord. Yeah, screws, manual, power plug at least, a remote control, and batteries. Power button right here. Bad. So with this button right here, it changes the modes of the lights. So
the Bluetooth device.
There we go. Yeah, it's pretty good. 10 out of 10. Good budget. Alright, bye.